360-degree reality.
Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a school supply haul. I love doing these videos. I don't like watching them anymore because I'm kind of just over them, but you know, why not make them? I think these videos are so fun to go shopping for, and obviously I'm going to school, so like I kind of have to go, so why not make it a video? If you guys want to see me actually go school supply shopping, and go check out my vlog. I went to Target and picked up, oh, the bag literally just broke. Okay. Picked up some stuff, so let's go through it. I already had a bunch of stuff at home. Like I already had paper, pens, and all of like the extra stuff at home, so I just needed to get like a little bit. So this haul is gonna be really small, but it's all right. So let's just get started. First off, we're gonna start off with the folders. If you watch the vlog, you know I had a little dilemma with these. So first off, these are the most ugly colors I've ever seen in my entire life. They had no good colors, so I was kind of stuck with these. But so I got 3 5-star folders and 3 like generic Target brand folders because they like did not have 5-star folders. Like they just like weren't there. So I got a super pretty yellow one. I love this color. Yellow looks amazing. I also got purple. I also got pink, which, okay, this pink folder gives me like deja vu, or not deja vu, like PTSD, like bad memories, because this is my Spanish folder and I actually hate Spanish. Last year, my teacher was a freaking, and then I moved on to, I got like this Target brand ones. So these ones are not as good quality, don't really recommend. They're only like 50 cents and they didn't have 5-star folders, so I'm stuck with these. I got a red one. By the way, all these are just 2 pockets, so yeah. So I got a red one, a gray one, and then I got a white one. Moving on, last year I had an individual notebook. I'm gonna touch my hair way too much, I'm sorry. Last year I got individual notebooks for each class, but this year I decided to just get one big 5-star notebook. They only had this ugly ass color, so I'm stuck with purple, magenta, pink, I don't really know, I think it's purple, but yeah, not the biggest fan of it, but it's 5-star notebook, it's gonna work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. 5 subjects. Okay, whoo! I just had a panic attack because I didn't check if it was college or wide world. If it was wide world, I might have shooted myself. Yeah, I might have just not been very happy. And then I got a planner. This is not the cutest one in the vlog. in the vlog. How many times am I gonna say that? But I saw a bunch of other like cuter ones, but they didn't go until 2019. They like ended in December of 2018, which is like pointless because why would I buy it for like 3 months of school? September, October, November, 4 months of school, whatever, same thing. I'm kind of dumb. In the inside, it looks like this. I like the bigger ones. Well, I've never had one before, but I think I'm gonna like them because I cannot write small. I'm lefty and I just cannot write small, so. And they also have these really nice like checklists. You can't see them, but there's like a checklist bar so you can like check it off after you're done doing your homework. Oh, there's a bug. That's the bug that was in my mom's car. Get away from me. Ew. It's like crawling. No. One sec. Okay, that was eventful. Not sure where it went, but there was a bug in my mom's car and we like opened all the windows and thought we got it out, but we didn't, so now it's in my room somewhere. I'm panicked. I look naked. Just naked and afraid here. The next thing I got was index cards. They only had like the big ones, or they had the small rainbow ones, but the rainbow ones drive me bonkers. Last year they only had the rainbow ones and I had to get them because I didn't have these. But this year we snatched these. That's hot. They're just ruled index cards. They're white because I hate the rainbow ones. Because I feel like I just can't study well for them, and I liked the clean look of Pinteresty cute index cards. Let's see. Next, we got some pencils. These are the only pencils I got because I have so many other from last year. Last year I had these pencils, didn't even use them. So probably should have not bought these, but whatever, you live and you learn, ladies and gentlemen. I got these. They are purple, pink, and teal, green, whatever floats your boat, call it whatever. And last but not least, the last thing I got in this haul is this red pencil case. Oh my god, it's so vibrant. It is just a mesh pouch. Ew, I hate that word, pouch. It's just a pencil case. I didn't really care what it looks like because it's just gonna like stay in my backpack and like no one's gonna like judge me off of it. So just red. Target only has like childish pencil cases, like they're really ugly, so I just had to get this one. I think that's it for, oh hey, yeah, I got clout. Someone texted me. think that's it for what I got for my sophomore year in high school. So, thanks for watching, everyone. Go watch the school supplies vlog if I didn't say that 50,000 times this video. But also subscribe to my vlog channel down below, and while you're down there, follow my socials, Steph all over YT. And I think that's pretty much it. So see you guys next Sunday. Peace out. Subscribe if you're new. Bye. That was so cringy.